Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of SPRUE. Still reviewing Heller brand from France, but this time without Humbrol on the cover, only Heller. Yes, apparently this is 6, but in this case for the military version 172nd Douglas C-118 Liftmaster. No picture of the real model kit painted. It is just rendering by hand. I love it. That's so nice. Well, this version is for the U.S. Air Force with this registration and this kind of red cross. That's it. Dimensions of the box: 45 centimeters long by 25 centimeters wide by 6 centimeters deep or high. Taking advance on this side, we see same cover here, and a short story of the C-118 that was launched during the Second World War with the objective of supplying the U.S. Air Force with a heavy version of the C-54 Skymaster, well, etc. A specification of the dimensions of the real aircraft: length 32.50 meters, wingspan 35.80 meters. Well, same information of the cover, the name of the aircraft, and so important for the catalog. The kit number is 80-370 from Heller. Description: USAF C-118A Military Airlift Command, 1968. Humbrol paints should use the number 11, 22, 33, 34 and 53, 64 and 69. Dimensions of the aircraft model kit specifically 45 centimeters length by 49, almost 50 centimeters wingspan, 92 pieces, and it's recommended for 12 plus. Made in France and barcode, descriptions in many languages. It was made in 1985 originally, and then it was reboxed on 1995. Maybe it was reboxed again and again in the 2000s, but this is original from the 80s. Model is kind of mint condition, not sealed bags, some loosey parts. For safety, I saved them into this Ziploc bag. Let's check. Some little piece going around, monkeying around the box. Let's check the manual or the building instructions first. Well, it is in different presentation. Two sheets, separately but folded in the middle, to see the first steps. Again, 10 steps, easy steps, starting with cockpit compartments, pilots, without the pilots, assembling the front landing gear under the cockpit construction. Landing gear, the main landing gear for the main engines. Propellers with 3 blades, radial cylinder, engine cowling, other engine cowlings with the specification of the number of the pieces, or the piece numbers, sorry. Assembling the fuselage halves with the windows, rows or stripes, individual windows. That's it. Let's see overleaf, and we see the general assembling of the wings, main wings, with again 5 halves, 2 upper halves and 3 lower halves. Landing gear assembling at the same time, and the tail with 4 halves, 2 each side. What else we have here? The engine cowlings, mounting each one in front of these parts, assembling the landing gear doors, antennas, etc. And so important, the markings. The USAF or US Air Force, yes, close up, the underneath, the same style with aluminium paint, and mixing white with the aluminium with some proportions, maybe one second each aluminium and the white, I mean the number 11 with the number 22 paint coat. Well, we have to mask to separate those paintings, white versus aluminium, or bare metal if you want. Well, I will save these building instructions. Let's check the decals, whatever you want to pronounce them. Get in trouble again. No protector film. I didn't find it, but it is dirty. I hope it is only on the big paper, not on the decals. And they look perfect. They are not cracked. Okay, that's so fine. Yes. Love it. Great decals. Even this dark black parts for the in front of the windshield. Good. I love it. That's the decals. Let's check the fuselage half. This one is the right side with recessed panel lines. Oh yes. Let me check. Yes. What's the inner part in the inside? so smooth. No details about the interior cabin, only the cockpit pilots, the zone for the pilots. Let's check the other one. This is the left side. Different like the DC-6, because it's got two large doors for getting inside the equipment and the troopers, etc. Let's check the fitting. I don't see warped. It is warped. No, it is not warped. That's fine. Much better than the other ones, but easy to fix. Got it? Oh, that's a little dog barking outside. Well, no problem with the panel lines. They are aligned, no problem. Let's check more parts. Let's get everything out from the bag and check each part. Well, big wings. This is the center of one of the lower half of the wings, the main wing, with panel lines and recessed panel lines. The upper ones these are the lower ones for the main wings. These are for the tail wing, just like this one. 4 halves, as seen on the building instructions. Some little doors. 2 frames, just the same frames, repeated, including the engine cowls, the radial engines, wheels, both, the bulkhead, struts, front landing gear door, some antennas and direction finder. Let's check these spare parts, loose parts. The front of the propellers, 3 blades. The other 2, but without this part, they are different. Etc. Let's check the trans-clear cockpit glass, just like the DC-6. And the frame with the windows. Yes, great. Well, I brought this display stand made by me. Well, it's homemade, or whatever you want to call it. It is made with this speaker cover from a car. I tried to seal under it because I have to paint it in black, everything in black, and I have to fill these corners or these parts. I need to sand it. Well, it is just trying. Let me check the size. The size is great, is correct. Let me, yes, I really love it. It's great size according to the scale. And I designed this letter, for the name of the aircraft. Okay, and to place this way, and it will show great name. That's so elegant. Maybe it should be placed right here if you want, or if you hate display stands, but well, you could display it, the aircraft, by using a diorama. But I love. What if I convert this military aircraft into the civilian one? A lot of modelers will kill me, but well, maybe I will keep the military version. Well, that's it for now. This review of the Liftmaster, the Douglas C-118 from Heller. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye!